everyone, welcome back to Valerine's Home Design and Decor. If you've never been here before, welcome. In a previous video, I showed you how to calculate how much tiles you would need for a given space to finish your flooring. I linked that video for you so you can check it out. In this video, we are doing paint calculation. So these boxes representing the walls are 10 by 8. There are windows in the room, so there's one window here in this wall, another window on this wall, and then there is a doorway on the fourth wall. Now, in any design, when you're calculating for your finishes how much you will need, one of the first thing that you do is take your measurements. The next thing that you do is use those measurements to find square footage. Let's start with the walls. They are 10 feet by 8 feet. So we'll multiply 10 by 8. So that's 80 feet squared. There are 4 walls. So we will multiply the 80 by 4. 4 0 0 4 8s are 32. So we have a total of 320 feet squared. 120 feet squared. However, we do have some cutouts on some of the walls, so we will have to subtract those cutouts from the 320 feet squared. The first one is the window here that's 4 feet high by 3 feet wide. 4 3s are 12. So it's 4 times 3 equals 12. So that's 12 feet squared for the window space. Plus, there's another window here, which is the same size. So we can times 2 this, and we have 24 feet squared. So we'll then have to go ahead and subtract 24 from this 320. Let's write it over here so we have space below. So it's 320 feet square. We have to go ahead and subtract the 24, and can't take 4 from 0. We have to borrow 1 from over here. We have 1 left, and we take the 1 over here. The 1/10s become 10 units. So 4 from 10 is 6. Now we can't take 2 from 1 here, so we got to borrow 1 from the hundreds over here. So we have 2 left here. Take it over here. This now becomes 11, and 2 from 11 is 9. Then we take this 2 down. So we have 296 feet squared left. The doorway is 8 feet high by 3 feet wide. So we multiply. 8 3s are 24. So we have to go ahead and take 24 feet squared from this 296. So we have 4 from 6, that's 2, 7. So we have 272 feet squared. Mark, you don't have to subtract all the cutouts, but then you may go ahead and buy too much paint, right? And so it's best to do your calculations where you subtract the cutout in the walls, especially if they are significant. Usually, when you go to buy your paint cans will come with the coverage of the paint. Therefore, what you do is check for your coverage. 400 to 500 square feet. So we only need 1 of this paint. For example, we had 1,000 feet square. What we'll do is divide our 1000 by our 500 feet square here. So we would need 2 cans of 1 coverage paint. Thanks for watching. I hope you have learned something. Please leave your comments and your questions below. Like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.